Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to hide your activity on LinkedIn. So if you don't want anyone to see if you are active on LinkedIn or not, just simply go over here to your profile picture which says me, then click on settings and privacy. Once you're there, go over to this icon which says visibility, and then scroll down until you see visibility of your LinkedIn activity. And the first one, manage active status. So I have set it to your connections only. So let's say I want no one to see it. Select no one and then go back. Basically your changes have been done by now. You can also choose your connections only or all LinkedIn members. So choose no one and you have successfully hidden your activity. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.